If you already own or are shopping for a SunFire radiant heater, you'll have come across the term dual fuel. This refers to our ability to operate on both diesel and kerosene. While this offers more flexibility than most brands, there are a few important differences to understand about each fuel type. Diesel is widely available and the most popular fuel type used in our heaters. It's used for factory testing and produces a hotter flame per gallon for optimal burning and heating. Because of this, our heaters come optimized out of the box for diesel, which is the fuel we recommend whenever possible. Kerosene, on the other hand, is less available, generally more expensive depending on your location, and doesn't burn as hot as diesel fuel. That's why we recommend making some adjustments to the heater by increasing the fuel flow when using kerosene. When using full kerosene, increase the fuel flow by simply turning the brass screw on the fuel pump clockwise by 1/2 turn up to 1 full turn. This ensures that your heater will achieve the beautiful hot glow and perfect odorless combustion. We receive many questions about diesel versus kerosene because many people have this perception that since kerosene is a cleaner fuel, it'll burn cleaner than diesel. However, in a SunFire radiant heater, kerosene does not outperform diesel because both fuels are able to achieve optimal atomization and perfect combustion. We also receive questions about the use of off-road diesel, also called red-dyed diesel. Off-road diesel offers the same exact performance as standard diesel, and it's the type of diesel we use when testing each heater. This is why we recommend this option if available. If we recommend diesel, is there any advantage to burning kerosene? One attribute kerosene has over diesel is a lower gel point. This refers to the temperature at which the fuel begins to thicken into a gel to the point where it won't flow through any fuel lines or the nozzle properly. Why is this important? To achieve perfectly complete combustion, the fuel must atomize from the nozzle in a precise pattern. When the spray pattern is inconsistent, unburnt fuel can cause an undesirable smell, produce smoke, or cause the heater to misfire. Diesel can begin to cloud at 32 degrees Fahrenheit and slowly thicken as it reaches its gel point at 15 degrees Fahrenheit. For this reason, when using diesel in these cold temperatures, we recommend one of two options. First, you can add a little kerosene to the fuel tank. As the ambient air temperature lowers, you may need to add more kerosene to the mixture. But remember, the more kerosene you use, the cooler your heater is going to run. You'll need to increase the fuel flow by rotating that brass screw on the fuel pump to achieve optimal performance. Therefore, the second option is the optimal solution when using diesel in cold temperatures. We highly recommend a special diesel additive called Frigid Fix that is fully approved by SunFire. It's the only diesel additive specially formulated to work with heaters, and it's the only additive that passed all our testing to offer the same odorless and fumeless experience you expect from a SunFire radiant heater. It's a true anti-gel that improves nozzle spray for optimal fuel atomization, giving you a quick startup in those frigid temperatures. One 8-ounce bottle can treat 40 gallons of diesel and can be purchased directly from our website, authorized SunFire dealers, and several retailers. When you're looking for the ultimate heating experience for your shop, job site, or garage, you can trust SunFire to keep you warm when you need it most.